Good morning, I'm Max Brambilla, board-certified plastic, reconstructive and regenerative surgeon based in Milano, Italy, and I'm more than pleased to introduce you the new department of ECAMS dedicated to regenerative medicine, and I'm honored to be the head of this department. As you probably know, regenerative medicine is gaining popularity in medicine, and I'm not just talking about plastic surgery, but I'm talking about dermatology, aesthetic medicine, gynecology, urology. We decided to establish courses starting from the base. It means science. Where is the science behind that? There is lots of science, but some knows, some other doesn't, so we need to establish bases of science. And then another course on practice, harvest the fat, how to get the best PRP from the blood, how to obtain white cells, and if they're interested or not, which are the main indication, general main indication. And then we will have courses dedicated to each specific interest. We will have a course dedicated to regenerative aesthetic medicine. We will have a course dedicated to aesthetic and regenerative gynecology, a course dedicated to orthopedic, and a course dedicated to urology. The goal of our courses will be to give high-level scientific basis, but on the other side give practice, how to do it, how to select patients, how to stay safe, and how to be effective. We wait for you.